What is up, guys? It's the one and only Joltray bringing you another episode of Pokemon Leaf Green Randomizer Nuzlocke. In the last episode, we got to the SSM. We kicked ass. And in today's episode, we're gonna keep kicking ass. Starting off with these two. Let's go. Hello, fisherman. What do you have for me today? Goldine. Okay. I don't know if you have anything powerful against me, but I'm just body slamming you and kill you. Another Golding. I'm gonna do the same thing. Easy peasy. Ah, come on, man, you're making this way too easy. There we go. Dude, I'm telling you guys, Needle Queen is a beast. Now let's fight you real quick. I'm gonna just speed through you guys, because you guys are not interesting at all. And you just died. Oh, okay. Whoa, whoopee. I got paralyzed. I'm getting cocky, boys. I'm getting cocky. This is not a good sign. This is not a good sign at all. Okay, what do you have? A Stardust. We will sell that for cash. There's nothing here. Let's go over here. You guys don't seem to not fight. I mean, what? What did I just say? You guys do not fight. You guys do not look like you're fighting. Okay, nothing here. What's the second to last room? No, I think there's second. Okay, wait. Okay, let's fight you first. Let's speed through you, because I'm pretty sure you have nothing good on you. Yeah, Rattata. Kick it in the face. Okay. Alright, okay. And a Pikachu. Then dig Pikachu a grave. He ain't gonna help you. Not at all. Ah, okay. I'll give you props. He paralyzed me again. Now I have to waste another healing item. No, wait, you're TMs. There you go, berry pouch. This one, right? Wait. Yes, this one. Thank you. Old man. Let's fight. Growler, come on, stop making this so easy. Dig, dig, dig a hole. Dig at a new grave. 26 and a Ponyta. Ponyta. I'm gonna dig you a new grave too. Thank you, old man, for your entertaining Pokemon. They were a good sacrifice. Okay. I think that's the last room with trainers in it. Yeah, I don't think you guys. Ooh, Safari Zone. Can't wait to go there. There's nothing in the plants. And I'm pretty sure no one fights here. Oh, wait. Maybe they do. Okay, no, they don't. No. Okay. Well, we pretty much finished here, so let's head out. Pretty much useless. We did get our Nidoran up with good levels. That's the good part. You look tired? Yes, please. I'm like first. Just to get my either points up. Let's head back to where we were. Because we have one more fight to do. I better not disappoint. Here we go! What's up, asshole? How's your honey pop? Let's play going, fuckface. Pervert. This is too funny. Okay, rival. The Pidgeotto. Body slam to the face. Oh, you live. Damn it. Disappointing. Sand attack. Acting like that's gonna do something. You're dead. Okay. Okay, okay, you did miss. You're gonna keep using quick attack, are you? Well, too bad, you're dead. Pidgeotto is no-go. Kadabra! Okay, I'm gonna keep Nidoran in here. This might be a problem. speed up this digging animation. Good, okay. There we go. And eradicate. Damn it, close call. You're getting all the fun parts. Let's kick it so hard. Don't die. It's dead. Close call, got a level 27. And an Ivysaur. I don't have nothing. Oh crap! I forgot that I'm half ground. I might have to take this guy out quickly. Body slam. Take it out. Don't let it live. Damn it. Sleep powder. You're stupid. Fucking blank. You're an idiot. Alright, we did it. We did it. You shitty fucking bastard. Alright, let's go get it. Rub his back. Make him feel nice. So wait, what the fuck did Blank do? He just came in here and just like, give me the fucking HM slave and walked out? That's something he would do. Alright, well thank you. Thank you, prison sir. Very kind. Alright, let's get out of here. Now we get out of here. I wonder, could we beat the gym before the episode's over? We beat our rival and the gym? Let's try it out. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Fuck that. Sorry, I don't have the patience to watch that. There we go. Okay. So we're overpowered as fuck. Nidoran's gonna become way more overpowered. What should we do? We need another Pokemon. I mean, we could... Or can we? We could go catch another one right now, actually. Over at, the new route we're supposed to go after this. But should I? That's the real question. Come back with me, birds. I need you for one more task before you pass away. You're gonna be my slave. Yes, I have a zombie slave now. Okay. Should we go catch another Pokemon? Or should we leave it? I can't catch nothing else over here. Screw it. We're just gonna take care of the fucking gym. Good job, motherfucker. Nidoran, you're up top, right? Good job. Okay, assholes. I'm gonna speed through all of you guys. Show how useless. No, I'm pretty sure I could just body slam it. Yeah. And no paralyzed. Great. Yeah, no paralyzed. Suck it. You, fight me. What do you have? The Bolter. I'm pretty sure I can body slam you too. There we go. And Magnemite. Oh, you lived, huh? No, you didn't. You're dead. Oh yeah. We're gonna need a new Pokemon soon. Because all our guys is way overpowered. Okay. So how does this go? Come on. I assume the next one's right here. Yes. Okay, boys. And before this, I am going to save the game. Right there. Why am I worried? Our Pokemon are completely overpowered. We'll be fine. Right, Surge? No, wrong button. Look, guys, watch this, watch. This is gonna be a massacre. There's one. A Pikachu. And here's another. It's down for the count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, paralyzed. Damn it. You got a Raichu, don't you? Yeah, Raichu. And we're gonna stay in here because I'm that confident. Besides, I don't have paralyzed heal, so this is gonna be fun for both of us. Don't disappoint me, Raichu. Show me what you got. Take advantage. Show me. Are you gonna do another double? Yeah. Will I miss? Will I be paralyzed? The world may— I missed. Oh, you're really piling on the fucking double thing. Will I miss? Will I be paralyzed? Would I hit? Are you going for another one? Come on. Am I gonna miss? Don't miss. Oh no, you can't even move. Okay, let's just keep digging until good. Maybe one day the fucking planets will align. Fishes will start flying and close call will get a dig. Maybe not. That's a lot of double teams, and I keep getting paralyzed. So, maybe you're gonna die to poison. I'd be surprised if that's the case. You got hurt? Oh, use a full heal. Good job. And I can't move because I'm paralyzed. Poison again? Nope. Okay. Well, I got a bunch of super potions, so this isn't really a problem. We just sit here and wait. This is becoming entertaining to watch, isn't it, guys? I don't have to do nothing. I just have to sit here, press the Z button. Do you have another full heal? Hurt by poison. Ah. God damn it, close call. Let me heal you. I don't want you to die. Do I have any more? Nope. Nope. So, super potion go. Is this seriously how this fight's gonna end? Is this seriously gonna die by poison? I'm gonna just keep digging. Oh, if I could move. Right now, he's gonna use a super potion, or not. He can't move again. This is a very fruitful episode. Are you actually gonna hit this time? Close call. There we go. Super potion. Nope, you missed. Don't worry. You'll die of poison eventually. But for the meantime, you just keep using big. Ah, we already passed the time limit. Fuck. I mean, I could speed this up. This is starting to become fucking boring. Yeah, we're speeding this up. Oh wait, one more dig. One more dig. One more dig. No, we're gonna heal you. I'm not gonna risk the chance of it getting a fucking critical. Okay, you're on your merry way of dying. Let's end this with a double kick? Double kick to the face? Yeah! Double kick to the face. Okay guys, we're gonna end it off here. We won. I honestly don't care about this no more. I don't care about what you have to say. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the one and only Joltray. And please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you all later.